So as you can see, there's a nail right here in the bottom pan. I can't move this at all to get that nail out and slide it out. So what I'm going to try and do though is I'm going to try and remove the nail with this crowbar, but the issue we're having is just the leverage. All right, so I was able to get this out. Here we are with the nail. This old rusted nail. Slide this out of the way. And then same thing here. Okay. We've got our first course taken out. So the entire cap sheet of this modified bitumen is gone now. Look at that. I mean, this is the base sheet. This is where this was at, and it's just been ripped and removed. As you can see, this cap sheet needs to go over the drip edge in order to prevent water from filling up back here. It's not going to do that anymore.